Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to talk about happiness. Where doesn't happiness come from? It doesn't come from other people. It doesn't come from material things. It doesn't come from having a lot of money or power. It doesn't come from having a popular. It comes from giving love to other people. It comes from giving your best effort to everything you do. It comes from getting satisfied from helping other people. It comes from growing smarter and stronger every day. The happiness you feel is equal to the love you give. The more you give, the happier you will be. Ok, bây giờ chúng ta sẽ bắt đầu học bài nhé. Ok, follow me please. Ladies, and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I'm going to talk about happiness. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to talk about happiness. Girls, dad, happiness, come, from, where doesn't happiness come from? It, doesn't, come, from, other, people. It doesn't come from other people. It comes from other people. That is, it doesn't come from material thing. It doesn't come from material thing. It doesn't come from having a lot of money and power. It doesn't come from having a lot of money and power. It doesn't come from being popular. It doesn't come from being popular. It come from giving love to other people. It comes from giving love to other people. It come from giving your best efforts to everything you do. It comes from giving your best effort to everything you do. It come from getting satisfaction from helping other people. It comes from getting satisfied from helping other people. It come from going matter and squire. It's come from growing smarter and squire every day. There happiness, happiness. You feel is equal to the love you give the happiness you feel is equal to the love you give. The more you give the happier you will be. The more you give, the happier you will be. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.